peeps, it's me, Natalie Diaz, and I've got some news for you. No matter if you have one child, two children, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, it really doesn't matter. We created a class that is created for everyone. Introducing our new Twiniversity's Complete Baby Safety course, covering the topics of first aid, CPR, car seat safety, and the always important childproofing. We've compiled hours of video purposely created to keep you and your family safer. Some of the videos that you'll find in our new course are how to respond to a choking infant, what should you do during a poisoning emergency, what are the most important things to childproof in your home, why your children should remain rear-facing, and weirdly, did you know car seats had expirations? Yep. Why car seat expiration dates matter. These are just some of the topics, but there's actually more. So that's just some of the topics that we will cover in our new Twiniversity class. To get more information, go to twiniversity.com/classes, click on our new Twiniversity's Complete Baby Safety course icon so you could get ready and get schooled in safety today.